the fastest cup of coffee that I ever had. Oh my goodness, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. I want to say the JAVY Coffee has the Starbucks coffee beat. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Tanisha, and mainly on my channel I do anything beauty related, whether it's hair, makeup, or fashion. I'm definitely your girl for that. Every now and again I do a cooking video, and as you can tell, we are in my kitchen. So today it's not a cooking video, but it's food related. Today we are going to be reviewing JAVY Coffee. Make sure I cover up my address, but basically we're going to be reviewing JAVY Coffee. It says the coffee you crave is just a pour away. And basically JAVY Coffee is a coffee concentrate. It's supposed to be the fastest, the easiest, the most convenient coffee that you could ever have. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion on this, and we're just going to go ahead and unbox it. So this here is JAVY Coffee. Like I said, it is a concentrate. It's supposed to have 30 servings, and I have the original flavor. It also came with this. It just says JAVY. Oh, how cute is this? It is aluminum straws. Has a curved straw and a regular straw. Also has a little brush to clean your straws with. I think that is super cute. So basically with this JAVY Coffee concentrate, you're supposed to take a little bit of it and you're supposed to put it inside of whatever drink you prefer, whether that's hot water, cold water, milk, a protein shake, whatever you want to do. You're going to actually mix it with it, and you want to use 1 to 2 teaspoons with every serving. Like I said, this bottle has 30 servings. Me personally, I like iced coffee, and I have been making iced coffee lately with a Premier protein drink. I absolutely love it because it gives me this iced coffee feel without the iced coffee price. So I think this is perfect. This is perfect for if you're on the go. Say you're at work and you want to taste a coffee. You can just take your water bottle and you can add this in it. You can do it with milk. You can do it with whatever. This is perfect if you are a coffee drinker and you're on the go. I'm going to show you how I make my weight loss coffee drink. So just keep watching. Basically, only thing you're going to need is this Premier protein drink. Basically, I like to mix this with coffee. Any coffee your choice. Today's coffee will be the JAVY concentrate, and basically I use this as a meal replacement. So instead of having breakfast in the morning, I will actually have one of these mixed with coffee. So we're going to mix these two, and like I said, you don't need a lot of ingredients. The only thing you need is the Premier protein drink, coffee your choice, so the JAVY coffee, a cup to put it in, and some ice. So we're about to make that. So now that we got the coffee made, it took literally about 30 seconds, the fastest cup of coffee that I ever had, and we gon' review this on camera and see exactly what it's tasting like. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is so good. I actually have been mixing it with some Starbucks coffee. I ain't even gonna lie. I want to say the JAVY Coffee has the Starbucks coffee beat because, baby, this is so good. So, like I said, I've been drinking this as a meal replacement. So, I'm actually going to drink this for breakfast. And I'm probably gonna throw this in my work bag because baby, this needs to go exactly wherever you go. If you're a coffee person, definitely get you this. I actually have a code for it. I'll have it linked down below in the description box. Baby, don't just take my word on it because this is really, really good. As always, thanks for watching and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.